What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to sit down and just chill and do some makeup with you guys while I unbox my December BOXYCHARM. I haven't unboxed my BOXYCHARM on my channel in a few months, but this box in particular struck me as a great one to kind of just hang out and open up and do some makeup with you guys, because it does have everything you need for a full face in there. So I was thinking maybe it'd be cool to do this like get ready with me style, since I do have to get ready to like go out and live my life for the rest of the day. I got some errands to run and stuff. I always say that I'm gonna do things get ready with me style, but my instinct is to teach you guys what I'm doing as I go along. So I'm going to try to do it get ready with me style. But if it just winds up being a tutorial, I'm sorry. Also, I have the beanie on today, and you know what that means. It means that my hair looks terrible under here. So this is the December box for BOXYCHARM. So the theme is "Tis the Sea Sun." A little pun action there for you. The one that I got has the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, which is a lip gloss. And I would not have guessed that based on the name lip paint, but okay. The color that I got in the lip paint is called Instafamous, a cosmetics detox charcoal mask. This I will actually not be using because I know my own skin, and my skin does not react well to activated charcoal. I don't know why. There was one that was okay for me, and it was the mask from Muddy Body. I think because it has like less of the charcoal in it, but normally charcoal masks, I just don't fuck with them because too often they make my skin really dry. So I'm gonna give this to somebody. A Bodyography lip liner in the shade Heatherberry. The Suva Beauty Protege palette. This palette looks gorgeous. I have the Suva Beauty Block Party palette and I absolutely love it, so I'm excited to play with this. And the Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn blush and highlight palette. I already did my brows and my base, so the rest of this basically equates to a full face. So I'm gonna start with the Suva Beauty Protege palette first, and let's just start getting ready. But before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like on this video if you don't mind taking a second to do it, because it helps me out and I always appreciate it. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you around for more videos. Okay, let's start doing eyeshadow. Okay, let's go. So this palette doesn't really have like a transition shade for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna like dive right in and then blend and just like make the best of it. I'm gonna start with the shade Aesthetic on ABH number 5. Ooh, oh boy, oh man, we're diving right in today. I guess we're doing a smoky eye because it doesn't look like I have much of a choice anymore. Normally, I'm the type of person who leaves all of my holiday shopping like not quite for the last minute. I'm dipping into a little bit of the shade Tact here too to blend this out. Not quite for the last minute, but I'm definitely like not early to the game. I started super early this year. I bought my first gifts during like the first leg of the VIB Rouge sale at Sephora. And I have to say that being a prepared ass bitch is pretty great because I am way less stressed right now than I normally am this time of year. This is why I don't talk that much about things that aren't makeup, because I'm too dumb. This is so not where I thought my makeup was going today. I mean, it's fine. I'm not upset about it, but wow, you know when you just didn't see it coming? I just did not see this coming. You know what? Now that we've gone this far, I kind of want to just do this color all the way down to my lash line and then like maybe put a little pop of color in the middle, maybe? Shimmer in the middle? Let's see. Picking up that same color on a Thrive Cosmetics lid brush, and I'm just gonna bring it all the way down to my lash line because you know what? Screw it, why not? So what else has been going on? I went to San Francisco last month with Benefit, and I got to create some content when I was there, and I'm very excited for you guys to see it. However, I'm not allowed to tell you guys what it is yet, and I'm dying. I think it'll be soon that I can talk about it. But I don't know, I haven't heard anything, so I'm just keeping my mouth shut for now. But the trip itself was super duper fun. They took us for like a tour around San Francisco on the day that we weren't doing like filming and stuff. And we went around in a little 1970s VW bus with a tour guide, and it was like the cutest shit in the world. And we went to lunch and we saw the Golden Gate Bridge and we saw the houses from Full House. They're called the Painted Ladies, I believe. but we got to, wow, that was a mistake what I just did there. Seeing the Full House was like definitely on my bucket list of things to do. I was like super stoked to be there because that was like my absolute favorite show growing up. Like I was obsessed with Full House. I used to watch it every afternoon, and I probably, looking back on it, like I think they only aired new episodes once a week, so whatever I was watching was probably reruns over and over again. And like as a kid, I just truly didn't give a shit. Like I just enjoyed it anyway. I'm having a hard time finding a flat brush because all of them have glitter glue on them from my last video. If you have not seen my last video, I will link it here on the screen. I did 2 looks using the new Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced, and some of the shades in there are pressed glitters, and you need to use a glitter glue with them. So I put the glitter glue on with my flat brushes, and now my flat brushes are all jacked up. So I'm just gonna go into this shade here. It's like a copper shade called Balance. This is on a MAC 220S brush, and I'm gonna pop that in the center of my lid. Ooh, I'm gonna wet it with a little setting spray first because I feel like it's gonna need it. Okay, I'm not mad at that. That looks pretty neat. Something that I've been meaning to ask you guys, and I don't ever really ask in a video because I'm always talking about the makeup so in depth that I don't really take the time to talk about anything else. But I'm curious, like outside of makeup, what are your other interests? Because I'm not planning on making non-makeup videos anytime soon, or like really ever, TBH. But I mean, like as far as what I talk about while I'm doing makeup, or like post on my Instagram stories and stuff like that, I'm just curious like what other interests you guys have that you don't mind seeing more of, because I like to like post things that are outside of makeup, but I don't want to bombard you guys with shit that you don't give a damn about. Do you guys like home decor, clothes? Like what kind of stuff are you interested in on seeing, not just on my stories, but like on the stories of like beauty bloggers and beauty YouTubers and beauty Instagrammers and stuff in general? What type of other stuff do you like to see? Leave me a comment and let me know, because I want to know what I should fill you guys in on, you know? Like, should I put you on to the new pair of shoes that I got? Should I put you on to a really awesome mug that I found, or a candle? Because like for me, half the fun of doing this stuff is like sharing things with you guys that I think were awesome and like I'm excited to get. But you know, if you're not excited about them, if they're things that you're not interested in, it doesn't really you know, doesn't really do the trick. Okay, I did my concealer with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and put down a buttload of the Hourglass Veil powder. I'm gonna do my waterline with the Urban Decay pencil in the color Alkaline, because it's like pretty much the same color as the shadow we used on the top there. There's not an eyeliner in the box, so we had to improvise. I hate doing this so much. So one of the things, now I don't know if I should say this, but I won't say who it's for. One of the gifts that I got from Sephora for somebody, I just think it's the coolest thing. They have like these sample sets, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 20 fragrances. So you get 20 fragrance samples. But the cool part is it comes with a little coupon in it, and when the person is done trying the samples, they get to pick a full size of whichever one they liked the best from the box, which is awesome because not only do you get to try it, but that's almost certainly cheaper than just flat out buying the fragrance. Like, it's such a good gift idea. To be honest with you, I kind of almost wanted to buy one for myself, but I know myself. I wear like the same 3 perfumes all the time and I almost never change them. The Nirvana Rose from Elizabeth and James, Miss Dior, or Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. Those are like the only perfumes I ever wear ever. All right, threw on my House of Lashes Stella Luxe, which is my lash of the moment, apparently, partially because it was on my desk, but also I really do like these lashes. So I need some blush because I'm looking a little dead right now. So I'm gonna try the middle shade here as a blush, because the other ones, this almost looks like it could be a blush on me, but it is a little bit shimmery, and this one is clearly a highlight. I feel like the shape of these is a little odd for a blush, but it works. Push my meanie back a touch. Ooh, I actually really like that blush. Ooh. This is super pigmented blush though. Like, look at that. That's like intense on the brush there. Well, on my end of my nose, I'm wearing a lot of blush now, like a lot. But I also definitely look a little bit more alive than I did a few minutes ago, so that's, I think, an improvement. Okay, I'm gonna go into the highlight shade City Lights on my Nabla highlight brush. It's a nice highlight. It's a little on the goldish side for me. I'm not usually like super into more gold toned highlighters, but this one still looks nice on my skin tone. It's not like so yellow that it looks bad. Little Cupid's bow action, little chin action. And that's pretty much my face done. I'm obviously still have to do my lips, duh, but I'm gonna spray a little setting spray. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter. Is this All Nighter? No, this is De-Slick. I'm gonna give myself a healthy dose of that. And for the lips, I'm gonna zoom this in real tight so you can see the color and finish of the lip products more clearly. Okay, so we have the Bodyography lip pencil in the shade Heatherberry, so I'm gonna apply that first. Okay, so that liner is pretty nice. It's sort of like a My Lips But Better shade on me, maybe a touch more lavender, like a little cooler tone than my natural lip shade. And now I'm going to top it with the Tarteist lip paint. That is a very interesting doe foot on it. It's like a scoop. Ooh, this smells good. It almost smells like chocolate. Pretty, I like that. All right, so here is the look that we wound up with after using all the stuff from the box, and I'm not mad at it. This is definitely something that I would normally wear. Like, sometimes I get things and I'm like, oh, I like all of these products. They work well, but it doesn't come out to be something that I think I would ever use together. But I would not only use all of these things again, but I would use them together. So after using all the stuff in that box, I've said this before, but I think honestly BOXYCHARM is my favorite subscription that I've ever done. Now, to be 100% transparent, BOXYCHARM sends me boxes. I don't pay for them. But I'm telling you right now, if they stop sending them to me because I pissed them off for some reason, which happens sometimes, I would probably continue getting it and pay for it myself, just because I think it's really great value and you get to try whole size palettes and stuff. Like, that's awesome. The Suva Beauty palette is beautiful. I'm not surprised because I really liked Suva's products like pretty much across the board. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them that I haven't liked. But the one thing that I did not think that I was gonna like that much that I actually really like is this lip gloss. Like, something about it is just very like, I don't know, like, it's very flattering. I thought it was gonna be like really, really like over the top glittery from what it looked like in the tube. It's really not. It's got a very nice sheen and I feel like it's making my lips look very, very full. I like it very, very much. So I hope you guys enjoyed like a little bit more of a relaxed, sort of like a chill, get ready with me style video while I unbox my BOXYCHARM. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see more of in the future. I was trying to concentrate on making my videos like really informative and stuff. Like, I still want them to be entertaining and fun, but I always want it to be something that you come away with information with. Let me know though if something like this is something that you would like to see more of, because I can definitely do that too. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video if you did enjoy it, because that also helps me know what you guys like and what I should do more of, and it also just helps me out on my channel in general, and I would super appreciate it. And also, if you are new here, if you just found me, don't forget to subscribe, because I would love to have you around for more videos. I have an idea for a video that I am going to hopefully have up this week that I'm really, really excited about. It's kind of like stemming off of my 3 looks video that I did with the James Charles palette. I'm so excited to film it. So if you would like to see that, don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to keep up with me between videos, go find me on Instagram and other social media too. My name is @MissQuinFace. Pretty much everywhere you want to find me. I update my Instagram the most. I post lip art and creative looks and like pictures from the videos that we do here over there on Instagram. And I also post on my stories all the time and run polls about the videos that we're gonna do and just like ask you guys general questions about like what you like in makeup and shit like that. That's all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.